Today we'll be looking at GSMCC. No, GSMCC isn't a brand new mobile phone. It means Grenache, Syrah, Mourvèdre, Carignan, Cinsault. All the grape varieties used in blending the wines of registered designation of origin in Languedoc. I'll start with what might be called the noble ones, even if this isn't true. These are Grenache, Syrah and Mourvèdre, to the detriment of Cinsault and Carignan, which are the so-called historical varieties, with a bad reputation due to the history of Languedoc. At one time, the main thing was to produce quantity, because everyone drank wine. My grandfather used to drink weak wine at breakfast, lunchtime and even in the afternoon. Carignan and Cinsault were the varieties with a high yield. They weren't considered good because they were used for volume rather than quality. The problem wasn't the grape varieties themselves, but where they were planted and the way they were tended. The winemakers have taken all this in hand, and these varieties are now included in the blending, whether in Corbière, Fitou, or the Terrasse du Larzac, where they're becoming increasingly important. Carignan is a very pleasant variety, aromas of black fruit and spices, with quite a dense palate, fairly assertive tannins, and like a true southerner, generous and full of character. Cinsault is usually used for rosé because it brings a nice freshness, aromas of raspberry, notes of almond and pomegranate, when vinified with the fruit. And then we have Grenache, Syrah and Mourvèdre. Syrah has spicier notes, black pepper, white pepper, hints of violet, with generous, assertive tannins, producing elegant wines. We have Grenache, which originated in Spain and is well suited to the sun and soils of the south. It is a wine that also has spicy aromas, hints of nutmeg, aromas of blackberry, blueberry and cherry. It produces wonderful wines that age well. Mourvèdre, which also comes from Spain, produces fine results in the Languedoc. The only concern is the time it takes to mature. You need quite long periods of maturation and sunshine. It offers good substance with more robust notes, quite massive tannins, but blended with the other varieties, it yields all the elegance and quality of Languedoc.